What's going on, guys? MotoFnatic, and here we are, just out of work. It's a possibility that we run into some rain clouds. Already got a couple sprinkles on the visor. Hopefully I can make it to the gym and not get soaked. Go, 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 go. And these clouds are getting darker. Missed my exit. As long as I get to the gym first, work out, I don't mind riding in the rain back home. Oh, that was the right highway. I just needed to stay straight. Oh, the rain's here. Holy shit. It's pouring like right here in front of me. RIP GoPro. Hell yeah, it's coming down good here. Holy shit. Alright guys, made it home. Tried to film on the way back. You can see it's still raining. Got super soaked. Bike in the garage. But yeah, tried to film the whole way back, and the GoPro just wouldn't turn on. I thought it was a goner there because it got all wet. And right where the mic plugs in, it's open. But yeah, I'll try to pick this up on another day. Whoa. Here we go. Day 2. Riding in the rain again. It was just supposed to be cloudy today, but now it's raining. Let's see how long the battery on the GoPro lasts, and if the GoPro makes it. It's sprinkling, it's not really coming down too hard. It should hopefully last. Guess while we're on weather, we can talk about riding year round. I know there's some guys out there that do it. I try to ride not necessarily year round, like every day, but I still ride in the winter. Not on the rainy winter days, but I got got like a liner for my jacket, throw on a couple extra shirts, and with that I'm good enough to stay warm. And my legs, I just wear my pants, and legs do get a little numb, but by the time you get off the bike, start walking around, they come back pretty quick. I think my quick shifter messed up from the rain the other day. I know it's not wanting to really work I don't know if I could unplug it, maybe clean the little prongs out and make sure it's getting good connection or something. Riding year round, I mean, lots of people do it. There's a guy at my job who he's got like a rain suit and, you know, some of that high-end gear. For the winter, he's got like a full body suit that helps keep him warm. That's all his means of transportation. He rides year round, raining, heat. I mean, we don't get much snow or anything here. That's really not a problem for us. The thing is, in the winter is it's when it gets down to like 30 degrees, 20 degrees. Sometimes it happens here. Not very often, but it does happen. So if you're thinking about riding year round, minimum things, at least get you some glove liners or some warmer gloves. Either a jacket that comes with the inner liner, or, you know, maybe one of those winter jackets. Cycle gear will have these sales every now and then that have the winter gear on sale. I got me glove liners like super cheap. Oh, you can also get one of those, I believe they're called balaclavas or something like that. Go for your head inside your helmet. Covers your neck. Keeps you warm. That way you don't get straight air to your neck. That helps a lot. We've got rain chances all week. I don't know if it's because of that hurricane that's fixing to hit the East Coast. Pretty sure that's what it is, pushing all the clouds this way. If it doesn't rain Thursday night, I'll probably gonna hit a bike night again. Haven't been out there in a little bit. Little tip here, when you're riding in the rain and you need to clean your visor off, just look to the right for a little bit, turn your head to the right, and you'll see the rain start kind of swooping off, and then turn to the left, get the other side, and it'll be clear again. Still recording? Can't tell. Skies are really overcast though. You can see it's kind of raining to my right. Doesn't look like it's raining much that way. Ordered a new backpack, one that comes with like a rain cover. The one I got now is really not waterproof, so everything inside gets wet. But the R6 does good in the rain. Haven't felt it slip. Pretty nice G37. The only thing about riding in the rain, you gotta, well, at least for me, since I got glasses, I gotta pop the visor a little bit every now and then so I can so my glasses won't fall pretty much. Sometimes the visor fogs, sometimes the glasses fog. Just pop it open, let some air in, and you'll be golden. Also turn on your high beam to help with people seeing you. Alright guys, take it easy. Thank you for coming along on my rain adventures. I'll catch you on the next one.